Slag, you should accept my request to watch.
Kylar doesn't need any more violence after his looking up weird things in Europe. Here's a UMP.
Is someone stealing our vehicle?
Come
on, let's go raid.
Oh my god, what's in here?
Wait, so where's this damn ammo up here?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, what's in here, man? Oh dude, I'm peeing, get out of here! Slag's looking at my dick in game. Already put it away.
Milsim ran into a guy, he had a shotgun, and this guy had nothing at the beginning of the match. She's like, go, get out of here, we'll let you live. He gets into the front door, pops in the back.
What a douche. Oh, we're jumping this shit. Oh! And now we get mowed down. Oh, sick. You guys already looted mansion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh god.
Wait for me, damn it.
No. Maybe I am.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. We're inbound.